Bitcoin mining world is the gravitational center for all things Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining. Peter Saddington's been mining Bitcoin since 2013, and Scott Offert's been in the space for over 7 years, just building networks, Telegram channels, all kinds of things.
Are you gonna feel that? Are you gonna feel that? Okay.
Bitcoin mining world is a one-stop shop to teach the plebs and the industrial leaders what the next step is to building their Bitcoin mine. You can go to the bitcoinminingworld.com. That's where you're going to find all of our Telegram channels. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you want to find out by yourself how you can build a mine, go to our Telegram channels. There's over 100,000 people in the different channels talking, communicating, sharing their projects.
Are you gonna feel that?